What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Yahoo Mail not sending verification code. So first off, head over to Google or any web browser and then in the search bar, type in Yahoo or yahoo.com. So if you are new to Yahoo, you have to sign in with an email account and a password. And if you want to create a new Yahoo email account, you can create that too. But if you already have an Yahoo account, you can just simply log in and you will be welcome to the dashboard of Yahoo. Now, after coming here on your right side, you can see this option of this email icon. Click on this email icon. Now, clicking on that email icon, you will see the option of manage your account. I currently am facing some error with Yahoo Web. So I am showing you with a photo and you will see the option of manage your account. Just simply click on that and after clicking, you will see this interface and then on the top, you will see the option of security. Just click on that and when you will scroll a bit, you will see your email and your recovery email and your phone number. Just check that all of these details and all of these credentials are up to date because of their not because if they are not up to date, this might give you a verification problem that you are facing in Yahoo. So make sure these are updated. And if you want to add a new email, you will see the option down there in the blue to add email. Just click on it and add your email. And you will also see the option of add your recovery email and your phone number. You can even add both of them and this is how you can fix this problem. That was all for this video, guys. Thank you everyone for watching.